This is an important election year for local and state officials. Here's a checklist to help you get prepared. Check your voter registration status. You can visit fairfaxcounty.gov/elections and click on the link under Voter Information to check your registration status. Know who will be on your ballot. There are a lot of candidates on this year's ballot running for offices: Board of Supervisors, School Board, State Senate, House of Delegates, Commonwealth's Attorney, Sheriff, Clerk of the Court, and Soil and Water Commission. Are you eligible to absentee vote? You are allowed to cast an absentee vote if you will be out of town on November 3rd or have a really long commute. There are more than 19 acceptable reasons to vote absentee, either in person or by mail. Visit the Office of Elections website to see if you're eligible to absentee vote. Make sure you have a valid photo ID. You will need a photo ID to vote, so check the Virginia Department of Elections list of valid IDs. If you don't have one, please email voting@fairfaxcounty.gov or call 703-222-0776 TTY 711.